Movie starts and we see some forests. After that, we see a strange home that was located near a stream. Three friends were coming there for spending their holidays. Two friends were playing outside the home, and one friend was inside the home, whose name was Jessica. Her condition was not good. She behaves very strange with her friend. After that, she comes out of the home and kills her other friend. Suddenly, she starts flying in the air. Her other friend starts crying to see this. Now, to know that why Jessica was behaving like this, story moves one day back where we see an apartment. There, one lady lived with her three kids. Her sister comes to talk with her. For talking some personal issues with her, the lady sends her kids outside for buying pizza. After taking pizza, when the kids were coming back, then an earthquake comes in the car parking. Kids get very frightened. After earthquake, there becomes a hole in the earth. The eldest child goes into the hole for checking that what is inside it. There he sees some tapes, pictures and a book. He takes the book and some tapes from there with him and comes outside. Then they all come back to the home. The eldest child wants to read the book, so he tries to open it, but it was tightly closed. When he struggles a lot to open it, then his finger gets injured and drops of blood fell on the book. Then it opens by itself. There were many strange pictures in the book. He also plays tape in which he listens about some magic. Suddenly, some strange voice comes in the tape. The boy tries to stop the tape but fails. A black power comes outside from the tape and breaks the bones of the lady in the lift. On the other hand, the boy was trying to stop the tape, but he can't. During this, light of the home gets off and the pages of book starts turning on their own. After some time, the lady arrives and comes inside the home. She behaves very strange with everyone. She kills everyone who was near her. The boy was understanding all. He knows that his mother is behaving like this only because of black power which came out from the tape. His elder sister also starts behaving like her mother. Actually, black power also controls her elder daughter. She also starts killing everyone. The lady's sister plays the tape and listens everything. Actually, this book was of a priest. He wanted to read this book completely, but then the people of church get very angry and they take him out from the church. This book was made of human skin and it was written with human blood. In this book, there were written many ways to call demons. The father wanted to understand all. In the kitchen, lady's elder daughter attacks on her brother and kills him. The lady comes to the room where her sister was listening the tape. She tries to kill her. All the people in the home die except lady's sister and lady's younger daughter. When the lady calls her younger daughter, then she says that you are not my mother. After some time, all the peoples start coming alive and they were saying that no one will survive till evening. Lady's sister and her younger daughter go to the lift for running from there. Finally, they get success in running from there. In the next scene, we see the girl Jessica who comes down from the same lift. Jessica was the same girl that we see in the start of this movie. When Jessica tries to call the police, then the demon who was inside the lady comes inside Jessica. Now, I hope all you have understood that why Jessica was behaving like this. Here movie ends. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe for watching more videos like this.